got me feeling no way. Now I'm looking at you and I can feel the heat rise, trying to fill the hole in my heart just for the night.
Hey guys, this is Mimi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you a very super easy and a quick DIY t-shirt refashion. You can do this DIY in just 10 minutes, I swear. You're not gonna take any more than that. It's a super simple DIY, so without any further ado, let's get started.
This you'll need a t-shirt, and I'm taking this old one of mine, and then I'm drawing a slant line from the neckline, cutting off the sleeves. Now cut it out, both front and back layers included. Now hem the raw edges by double folding. Now you can either do sewing here or you can use hot glue as well. Then cut two wide straps from the sleeves part of about 3 inches width. Then prepare the straps too the way we always do, like I used to do in every other videos. Then pin them each on the back neckline and to the front neckline, making it look like a collar. Now cut off the extra front neckline above the collar. And then simply take a lace of your choice for the collar and fold its one end and attach it on top of the collar, covering the back as well. And here again I use hot glue gun for this, so you can make it completely without stitching anything, guys. So if you are not into stitching, you can use hot glue gun here, and you're done.
So that was it for today's tutorial, guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, please don't forget to hit that like button, share with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to turn on that notification bell button so that you never miss any future videos from me, as I am gonna try and upload every Sunday and Wednesday, so you don't want to miss any videos. So be here on Sunday and Wednesday at 8 p.m. sharp. And also, guys, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram page, that is right here, my Facebook page, that is right here. So make sure that you do that, and if you're a fan of Twitter, do that over here. And I would love to chat with you guys and connect with you guys. So today's feature goes out to Maggie, Chris and Geetanjali. Thank you so much, guys, for commenting on my last video. If you also want to get featured in this channel, all you have to do is turn on that notification bell button and comment down below if you're following me on Instagram or not, so that I know how many of you guys are, actually connected to me with on Instagram as well as here. So I would love to do that. If you're not connected to me over there, do that, because seriously, why not? And yeah, I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.